Tired of struggling with overgrown hedges, hard-to-reach branches, and bulky trimmers that leave your garden looking messy? Cordless Pole Hedge Trimmer is your best friend. Trimming high hedges, hard-to-reach branches, and overgrown shrubs has never been easier. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, the right tool can save your time, energy, and frustration. From lightweight designs to powerful motors and long-lasting batteries, the top models are packed with features to make your outdoor chores very easy. But with so many models out there, which one should you buy? We're breaking down the top 5 best cordless pole hedge trimmers on the market right now to help you find your perfect match. Let's get into it. Remember to check the links in the description to find the best deals on all the models we cover. The 5th product on our list is VIVOSUN CHTrimer-P-01J. If you're looking for a budget-friendly cordless pole hedge trimmer that still delivers solid performance, the VIVOSUN 20-inch cordless pole hedge trimmer is a great choice. It's built to help you tackle bushes, shrubs, and hard-to-reach branches without breaking the bank. What makes this trimmer special is its 20-inch dual-action laser blade with a 0.55-inch cutting capacity and a 1,400 RPM motor. You'll get smooth, precise cuts every time, while the adjustable cutting head with 9 positions and a 135-degree range lets you trim at any angle with ease. The telescopic extension pole stretches from 6 feet 7 inches to 8 feet 10 inches, giving you the reach you need for tall or distant branches. It also comes with a strap for comfortable carrying, and the pole is easy to install or replace whenever needed. You'll appreciate the ergonomic design. The D-shaped handle is soft, non-slip, and comfortable to hold, reducing fatigue even during longer trimming sessions. And, being cordless, you get full freedom of movement without worrying about tangled cords. Safety is built in with a double switch design, so the trimmer won't start unless you press the trigger and safety lock together. The sturdy casing protects you from the sharp blades, and storage is easy and safe. The 20-volt removable lithium-ion battery runs up to 30 minutes per charge, enough for most home trimming tasks. And when it's done, simply recharge and get back to work. If you want a lightweight, versatile, and affordable hedge trimmer that doesn't compromise on performance, the VIVOSUN 20-inch cordless pole hedge trimmer is the smart choice for any homeowner. The 4th place on our list is Alloyman 2DLLJ. The Alloyman 20-volt max telescoping pole hedge trimmer is one of the most feature-packed and versatile hedge trimmers you can get. It's designed to make trimming hedges, shrubs, and bushes effortless, giving you professional-level results from the comfort of your backyard. With 16-inch hardened steel dual-action blades and a cutting speed of 1,400 SPM, you can easily tackle branches up to 3/4 inch thick. You'll enjoy smooth, precise cuts with less vibration, making every trimming session faster and more satisfying. The telescopic pole extends up to 8 feet, letting you reach high or hard-to-access hedges without ladders. When not in use, it folds down for compact storage, saving space in your garage or shed. You'll love how lightweight and ergonomic this trimmer is. It weighs just 8 pounds and features a non-slip rubber handle. Moreover, the 180-degree rotating rear handle and included shoulder strap let you trim at any angle comfortably, reducing fatigue during longer sessions. Safety is built in with a double switch design, preventing accidental activation and keeping you and your loved ones safe. CE certification ensures reliable, worry-free use. This trimmer is powered by 2 20-volt lithium-ion batteries, each providing up to 30 minutes of runtime. You can alternate between them for uninterrupted work. The batteries also feature overload and temperature protection, ensuring long-lasting performance. The package comes complete with the trimmer, telescopic pole, 2 batteries, charger, blade sheath, and manual, so you're ready to get started right away. If you want a powerful, lightweight, and safe hedge trimmer that makes every trimming task simple and precise, the Alloyman 20-volt max telescoping pole hedge trimmer is the perfect choice for you. The 3rd product on our list is the BLACK+DECKER LPHT120. The BLACK+DECKER 20-volt max 18-inch cordless pole hedge trimmer is one of the most feature-packed and versatile trimmers you can own. It's made to give you professional-level trimming with cordless convenience. making it easy to reach every corner of your yard. With an 18-inch dual-action blade, you'll experience smooth, precise cuts on hedges, shrubs, and bushes up to 7/16 of an inch thick. The dual-action design reduces vibration by 40%, so your hands and arms stay comfortable, even during long trimming sessions. You'll love the 180-degree pivoting head, which adjusts to 5 positions, giving you total control to trim high, low, or even behind hedges with ease. Combined with the 6.5-foot extendable pole, you can reach up to 11 feet, tackling tall or awkward areas without ladders or strain. This trimmer is lightweight at just 7.7 pounds and features a soft grip handle, so you can trim comfortably for longer periods. The rust-proof fiberglass shaft with interlocking sections ensures a strong, secure connection while keeping the tool durable and long-lasting. This product is powered by the 20-volt max lithium-ion battery. You get cordless freedom and long-lasting power that holds its charge up to 18 months. The battery is also part of Black & Decker's Power Connect system, so it works with multiple 20-volt max tools, giving you a complete garden toolkit without juggling batteries. Included in the box are the trimmer, 1LB XR 2020-volt max battery, and the LCS20 smart charger, so you're ready to start trimming immediately. If you want a lightweight, powerful, and feature-rich trimmer that makes hedge trimming effortless, the Black & Decker 20-volt max 18-inch cordless pole hedge trimmer is the ultimate tool for a perfectly manicured yard. The second product on our list is the Greenworks PH40B210. If you're looking for a premium cordless pole hedge trimmer, the Greenworks 40-volt 20-inch cordless hedge trimmer is the game changer. It's built for homeowners and gardening enthusiasts. It combines power, precision, and ease of use to help you achieve professional-looking results effortlessly. What makes this trimmer so special is its 20-inch steel dual-action blade with a 5/8-inch cutting capacity. You'll enjoy clean, precise cuts on bushes and hedges without switching tools. The blade moves efficiently, reducing vibration so your hands and arms feel less fatigue, even during longer trimming sessions. The pivoting 3-position head is another standout feature. You can adjust the blade to multiple angles, giving you extended reach and total control when shaping tall hedges or tricky corners. Also, the ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, letting you maintain a neat yard without straining your back or shoulders. This trimmer is powered by a G-Max 40-volt lithium-ion battery. This trimmer delivers consistent power while remaining cordless for maximum convenience. The same battery works with over 60 Greenworks 40-volt tools, giving you a versatile and expandable yard system. You also get a 2.0 amp-hour battery and charger included, so you're ready to go right out of the box. Eco-friendly and low noise, this hedge trimmer lets you maintain your yard without disturbing the neighborhood. Its lightweight design doesn't compromise performance, so you get both comfort and high power in one premium tool. If you want precision, power, and flexibility in a single hedge trimmer, the Greenworks 40-volt cordless pole hedge trimmer is the ultimate choice for a beautifully manicured yard every time. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product name is the MZK SG1611. The MZK 20-volt max 23-inch cordless pole hedge trimmer is the best overall hedge trimmer you can get. It's designed to give you professional level trimming with cordless freedom, letting you tackle your garden without worrying about cords or outlets. With a 22.4-inch dual-action steel blade and 5/8-inch cutting capacity, you'll glide through bushes and hedges with smooth, precise cuts and minimal vibration. Its adjustable head moves from 0 to 180 degrees across 5 positions, so you can reach tricky spots high up or low down, perfect for shaping every part of your garden. You'll love the convenience of the 20-volt lithium-ion battery, giving you up to 55 minutes of runtime on a single charge. This battery works with all MZK indoor and outdoor tools, so one battery powers your entire garden toolkit. Safety is always top priority, and the dual lock system keeps you and your loved ones protected while you work. And the trimmer comes with 2 batteries and a charger, so you can work longer without interruptions. Whether you're pruning tall hedges, shaping bushes, or reaching those once hard-to-get spots, This trimmer makes your garden tasks effortless and enjoyable. It's lightweight, powerful, and engineered to give you maximum performance with minimum hassle. Looking for a tool that combines power, safety, and versatility in one? The MZK 20-volt Max Cordless Pole Hedge Trimmer could be the smartest tool for your garden. That's all for our list of the top 5 best cordless pole hedge trimmers on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.